Hello, in front of me I have Honor Band 6 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the vibration intensity on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our device. To do it, simply press the side button like this. Then let's swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here let's tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, of course. Now let's scroll down and here we have the vibration option. Tap on it. And right here we can adjust the vibration intensity by swiping up or down on the screen. You have three options. We have strong, soft, and none, like this. Select the option you like. For example, let's select soft, and then tap OK to confirm. Now let's press the side button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you adjust the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.